More homes are sitting on the market today, but buyers are not just rejecting interest rates, they are also rejecting deferred maintenance. I'm Cathy Sabater, and here's your Thursday Market Watch. Right now, we see a massive divide in the housing data. Look closely at inventory. The total numbers of active listings is climbing higher month over month. But do not let the aggregated number fool you. It is a tale of two markets. One is the turnkey homes that you see with multiple strong offers within the first week. These are the homes with updated kitchens, brand new roofs, and modern plumbing. They sell fast and they also sell at premium prices. Now, let's look at the other side. These are the homes that are hiding traps. What kind of traps? Like unpermitted additions, old HVAC system, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, or your DIY, do it yourself renovations are sitting untouched for almost 40 plus days or longer. To get them sold, sellers are facing brutal price cuts and massive concessions. Why is this happening? Well, it's happening because buyers are completely tapped out on cash. High interest rates and elevated home prices mean their monthly payment is already pushed to the absolute max. They have zero money or little money left after closing. They just mathematically refuse to buy someone else's expensive hidden problem. They cannot afford a $10,000 plumbing repair in 1 month. If you are buying, do not waive inspections. Hire a professional inspector and look for the unpermitted work. Protect your cash. If you are selling, you must realize the market has shifted and you cannot hide deferred maintenance anymore. Fix the structural issues before you list or prepare for a massive price drop. By the way, are you seeing more price reductions in the local market? Let me know in the comments below. And tune in tomorrow where I will expose the tease price trap and appraisal gaps. I will see you then.